Namaste dosto. Hello friends. In today's video, we will learn and read multiplication table of 3. Are you guys ready to learn how to read the table of 3? We'll start our video. You also recite after me. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. नोटबुक में हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 3 क्रॉस 1 इक्वल 3 और इसे हम पढ़ते कैसे हैं? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. आप भी मेरे साथ में ये पढ़िए. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. And 3 tens are 30. Yes, very nice friends. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो then like the video, subscribe the channel for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.